Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today, we're diving into the Video Player widget. This powerful Elementor tool lets you embed and style videos directly on your website, making it perfect for tutorials, product showcases, landing pages, or promotional sections. With flexible styling options and features like sticky mode and customizable controls, you can present videos in a clean, engaging, and professional way, without any coding. Let's jump right in and see how it works. To get started, open your page in Elementor and type Video Player into the search bar in the left panel. When the Video Player widget appears, drag it into your layout to preview its default design. You'll notice a play button in the center of the player. Clicking it will start the video. Just below the screen, you'll see a control bar with basic playback controls that give you an immediate idea of how the player works. Now move to the Content tab to begin configuring the widget. The first section you'll see is the Video section. Here you can set the video title, which appears as tooltip text when a user hovers over the player. This helps provide context or a short description of the content being displayed. In the same section, you can change the video source link. If you're using a self-hosted video, upload the file to your WordPress media library first, then copy and paste the file URL into this field. Once the link is added, the player will automatically load your video. You can also select a poster image to use as a thumbnail before playback begins. This is useful for presenting a clean and visually appealing preview that encourages users to click and watch. Below that, you'll find the Player Width control, which lets you adjust the player size to better match your page layout. At the bottom of this section, you can set the alignment to position the player exactly where it looks best in your design. Next, scroll down to the Additional Settings section. This area provides several toggle options that let you control how the video player behaves and what elements are visible to your visitors. You can choose whether to display the title, show, or hide the seek bar, and control the visibility of the time and duration indicators. These options let you simplify the interface or keep it fully functional, depending on the experience you want to provide. You can also turn the volume mute option and the volume bar on or off, as well as the full screen control and the play/pause button. These settings give you full flexibility over the player's controls, allowing you to create either a minimal or feature-rich interface. Further down, you'll find the Smoothly Enter option, which adds a subtle entrance animation when the video player appears on the screen. This can make your page feel more polished and dynamic. There is also a keyboard option that lets users control playback with keyboard shortcuts, improving accessibility and convenience. You can then set the default volume so videos start at a consistent volume. At the bottom of this section, you'll see the sticky mode option. When enabled, the video player remains visible in a smaller frame while visitors scroll, helping keep important content in view. These are the main configuration options in the Content tab. Once you're satisfied with the settings here, move on to the Style tab to customize the player's appearance. In the Style tab, the first section is Video Player. Here you can set the background type to match your design style, whether you prefer a solid color, a gradient, or another visual treatment. You can also set a border type and adjust the border radius to control how sharp or rounded the player's edges appear. The next section focuses on the Video Play button. This area allows you to adjust how the main play button looks in both its normal and hover states. You can change the icon color, background style, and overall button appearance to match your brand or website theme better. Additional controls allow you to refine the border, padding, and icon size. At the same time, hover settings give you the option to create interactive effects that respond when users move their cursor over the button. Moving down, you'll find the Control Area section. This section lets you customize the control bar's background color, apply borders, adjust spacing, and add box shadows. These styling options help you seamlessly integrate the player into your page design while maintaining a clean, professional look. Next is the Play or Pause button section. Here you can customize the appearance of the playback control in both normal and hover states. You can modify the icon color, background color, borders, and shadows, as well as adjust the button size and icon size to ensure the controls remain clear and easy to use. The time or duration section allows you to change the color and typography of the time indicators. This is particularly helpful if you want the text to match your site's fonts or maintain visual consistency across your layout. After that, you'll find the Seek Bar section, where you can adjust the height and color of the progress bar, as well as define the active color that appears as the video plays. Border radius controls are also available here, giving you even more flexibility in shaping the design. The volume button section offers similar customization options for audio controls. You can adjust colors, borders, shadows, padding, and sizing in both normal and hover states to ensure the control fits naturally with the rest of the interface. Just below that is the volume bar section, which lets you adjust the height and color of the volume slider and set the active color that indicates the current level. Finally, the full screen button section lets you customize the full screen control in the same way, with options to modify colors, backgrounds, borders, and sizing for both normal and hover states. This ensures every element of the player can be styled to match your website's design language. After completing your customization, click the Publish or Update button and preview your page to see the final result. That's how you can use and customize the Video Player widget in Element Pack Pro. With its flexible controls and extensive styling options, you can create a polished, user-friendly video experience that integrates seamlessly into any Elementor website. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest features from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching!